I've been drying my hair with this brush that I got on Amazon. It's comparable to the Revlon one. It's like the same exact style, color, and everything. Only got this for like 20 or 25 euros. The Revlon one is around 50 to 60 dollars. Euros wise, that's probably like 40, 50 euros or 40 euros. Anyway, remember I posted a picture of my hair afterwards using this blow dryer, and people were asking me where I got it, how it works, etc. I'm sure a lot of you have already like seen the Revlon one, but I wanted to show you this one that I got. I've dried my hair like this so far just with this brush, so I don't even need to use a flat iron. I don't like my hair super volumized, so I'm going to show you how I do it. I have a lot of hair. I don't like it big. Some women do. I don't. First start under, and then I go over. Hi, baby. And I roll real smooth. Doesn't get tangled at all. Play JLO on Spotify.
All right, Jennifer Lopez from Spotify, playing on Get Down.
Get down. Tonight we gon' be hit on the floor. Okay, Google, pause music. So this does have various settings. Low, here, I'll show you. It's high, but it's cool air. Then there's middle, which is like a low speed, but warmer air. And then there's high, which is high speed and hot air. So it's actually not too hot to where it burns your hair. I like that low is high speed but cooler air. But I personally use, even though I shouldn't, I use high just because my hair takes a while to dry. So I do that when I want to be faster about it. But low setting is perfect. That is the Amazon brush blow dryer that I got and I love, and I barely have to use my flat iron, which is damaging to your hair, more damaging than this kind of heat. I sometimes do use a hair straightener to, you see this part, how it gets really frizzy? I could just use some serum. Well, let's try that out. Do the ends, and then do the top. Yeah! Got that glow, that shine. Yes. See? No flat iron needed. Serum for the win. And if anyone's wondering, it's Pantene. Suavilizo. There you have it. And thanks for watching. Play music.
Okay, music from Spotify, playing on Get Down.
Dance the night away, live your life and stay on the floor. Dance the night away, grab somebody, drink a little more. It's my JLO inspiration. Woo-wee! La 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 la. Tonight we gon' be hit on the floor. Tonight we gon' be hit on the floor.